Hello friends, welcome to ESAN Academy. We are into embedded system programming and the C language session. And this session is session 3. The session 1 we discussed about allocation. That is how much memory it's allocating, 8-bit or 16-bit or 32-bit or 64-bit. That is CHAR, short, long and long. And we didn't discuss about float. We discussed about only integer. And in the next session, session 2, we discuss about assignment. That is decimal, octal, hexadecimal, symbol, and binary. How they are stored in their memory. And today we discuss. See, these are all. Why I'm telling this or these things are all. There are a set of rules. That's it. And today we are going to discuss about on session 3. We are going to discuss about operators. That's all. What C can do maximum. That's it. That once you learn that this is what C can do, then you will write your own programs. That's a problem. You think that, oh, C can do great things, nothing. It's a set of rules. Okay, the rules understand, you will be able to understand it very well. Anyhow, at the end of the session, I'll share a document to you. That will be, I prepared a document for you of a batch. I'll share with other people also. That will give you all the operators a small idea, and which we'll discuss in the video also. You can watch the video, and if you have, as I mentioned to you, that if you have any doubt, never hesitate. If you say that any program anywhere, and if you have a doubt, send me a message. Okay, I'll be able to support you anytime. Okay, so that's what that's a main advantage of this program. Learn to ask questions. If you learn it with me, that will be good at on the interviews also. Okay, please. So now let us move to the board, and let's talk about little bit about operators. So we know that very clearly about operators. And only one thing you have to understand about operators is we normally get sometimes confused with operators. The thing is that when I say that int A, B, and C, A equal to 10, that's fine. So you have a thing here. Everything is decimal. So you will say immediately 30. So in the memory it's there. But the beauty is the moment you say A and B, this is binary. This is binary. Please understand, this is binary. This is not no more decimal. So when you add them, you are adding binary to binary. Okay, so that is to talk about language comes. I didn't discuss about this on the programming because programming is different. Now when you do the language, let us say 10 means 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. 20 means 0, 0, 0, 0. Sorry, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. 16 plus 4. But actually I declared integer. So it did not allocate only 1 byte. It allocates like this. 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 bytes it allocates. Please accept now integer is 32 bits, not 16 bits anymore. Now this is A and this is B. See here, this is the way it stores the memory. Now, why I'm explaining this is when you are coming later on embedded system programming, what is the advantage of 8-bit microprocessor versus 32-bit microprocessor? I'll explain to you that. That time I'll explain to you that these things are how it's going to be useful. Every knowledge is discussed is very important. That's why I'm giving you the good idea about this. So now you add them. What that when you say A plus B, first of all, it will add this. This is the LSB. It will add these two numbers: 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. It will add. Then it will add these two. This will add these two. So it does 32-bit addition. Byte by byte it will add. Understand? That is what A plus B does. A minus B also does same thing. And in the last session, I explained how the negative number is stored. If you say minus 25, how it is stored in your memory. That is 25 is 0, 0, 1, 16 plus 8. Sorry, 16 plus 8. 24 plus 1, 25. Then I take this one because I use the sign bit for negative. Then I add it. It becomes 1, 0, complement. Then add 1 to it. Then add a sign bit. But you put integer. When you put A is equal to minus 25, you put a now what? Integer. What that guy will do, he will put this number here. 1, but the remaining 3 bits, he will not fill with 0. Whatever your sign bit is 1, that will be filled here. So all will be 1, 1, 1, 1. How it is written there. You should understand, even though it's a very small thing, how it is memory is used. This is what all about language. Okay. Now we have discussed about. Now I told you that how it is memory it's used. Now we have 4 operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. This we know. Simple. This is addition. This is subtraction. This is multiplication. This is division, quotient. And this is division, remainder. But these are all whole numbers. You will not get, if you say int ABC, A equal to 10, B equal to 3, C is equal to A divided by B. C will become now 10 by 3, 9 and 1, 1. The 1 will come, sorry, 3. 3 to be 9. The 3 will come to C, not 3.3. Now, if we say D is equal to A percentage B, D becomes 1. That we discussed in the programming system, but I'm telling you here as part of it. Now, these five operators are very simple. And these are called arithmetic operations. Then there is another operator called logical. These two operators are same. If you say add, if I say char ABC, why I use char is only 8-bit. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to A plus B. Now the 10 will be converted to binary 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. 20 will be converted to binary 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 16 plus 4. Then I add it A plus B 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 0, 1. This is what will be there in C. Location A, location B, location C. This is a simple addition. But in the logical operation, I have 4 operations: AND, OR, NOT, and XOR. What is AND? Simple. If you put A and B, simple idea, nothing great. Same thing, but go bit by bit. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, say 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. So all becomes 0. Now C becomes 0. This is a result of A and B. Okay. We write bigger one. CHAR. A, B, C. A is equal to 10. B equal to 20. C is equal to A and B. You understand now? This is a trick. Okay. So now this becomes 0. If you use the OR operator, see here, if you use the OR operator, it performs bit by bit. Now you see here, in OR, 0, 0 is 0, 0, 1 is 1, 1, 0 is 1, 1, 1 is 1. See, like we have in the schools we have been taught arithmetic operation. We have not been taught about these operators. What these operators is, and if A, B, 0, 0 means 0. 0, 1 means 0. 1, 0 is 0. We both are 1, only 1. That is, A is 1 and B is 1. That's why we use AND. If you use the OR operator, same, but if one of them is 1, 7. If A or B is 1, it's fine. Then NOT operator is 1 means 0, 0 means 1. And this is very important for embedded system electronics people. Then XOR. This exclusive OR. That means that 0, 0 means 0. 0, 1 means 1. 1 means 1. 1, 1 means 0. That means both of them are not there. Both of them are not equal. These are exclusively OR. Now you see here 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, all zeros. These are you put OR. Now if you put XOR here, think here what happened. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Because in XOR is, if both are same, you get 0. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, all the zeros. Learn this. This is the very important thing. You will be surprised. I'll at the end of this, I'll ask you a question, then you will know that. Now you see here, B is equal to NOT of A. And A is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. And B is NOT of A. That means 0 becomes 1. That's all. Very simple. Sorry, all this becomes 1. Sorry, all 0 becomes 1. Now let us have a small problem now. Let's say CHAR A, comma B. A is equal to 1. B is equal to NOT of 1. Print of. What will be the answer? Can anybody tell me what will be the answer? Anybody? Quick, 10 seconds. You have a time of 10 seconds. I need an answer from somebody. $254. Any other answer? Somebody has given a good answer. $254. Any other answer? No, I want answer. I don't want memory. You are giving a memory. I don't want. I want the answer. I put percentage D, so I'll give a decimal printout. 0. Another answer. So far, 3 people are given. All the 3 are wrong answers. Any other answer? This is a problem I'm telling you. This is what all about C language. Please understand, this is not about programming. This is about C language. Now what happened? When I've written 1, I've written 1, sorry, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. I write. When I put not of 1, this is A. B becomes not 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. That somebody has given an answer that's correct. But that is on the memory. When I ask you to print, printf goes and see the last bit. It is what bit? 1. So it put negative minus here. First of all, the moment sign bit is 1, you'll put minus 1, minus here. Then it will take the one's complement, the other one. What is the one complement? 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. You add 1 to it. 2's complement. It becomes 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. The answer became minus 2. You surprised? Let us see. Let me share and let us go to the thing and see. Okay. I've not shared it. Let me share the screen. We have a doubt. I told you, when we have a doubt, we go for the compiler. We'll see that. Char A. A is equal to, sorry, A comma B. A equal to 1. B equal to not of A. Printf comma B. Understand now? If I execute this program, no errors, no warnings. I run it. See here, minus 2. Am I right? You'll be surprised. But now I'm giving an explanation of what's happening. Do you understand that? Please don't get confused between what is stored in memory, what the printf. These two are totally different. We will discuss about printf later. Printf %G, %X, O, everything. But don't get confused between these two. Okay? Is it clear? Now, it's not clear, ask it. Binary subtract is normal subtraction. So what is this thing? If you put, there are 2 ways you can do that. Fine. I understand now. So now you say A equal to 5, B is equal to 4, C is equal to A minus B. This is what you will do is here is 5 is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. 4 is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Subtract 1 minus 0 is 1. Become 1. That's a normal subtraction. You put this is 4 and this is 5. Now let us say this is 4. And this is 5. You subtract 0 become 1, 1. So it becomes, so I borrow 1 here. That become 1, 0. Am I right? That become 1, 0. I have already borrowed 1. So 1. Then this becomes 0. 0, 1, 1. Because I already borrowed here 1. This becomes 0. 0, 1. So I borrowed 1 here. So all become 1. You understand now? Do you accept this? If you accept this, then I can proceed. If you don't accept, I have to stop here. I'll tell you one thing, what steps very clearly now. See, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Sorry. Sometime initially, what is happening? This guy is 0. This guy is 1. I borrow 1 from here. I cannot borrow because this guy is 0. So this guy borrows from here. So this becomes 0. This becomes 0. I borrowed. And this becomes 10. 10 means 2 in binary. Now I borrow here 1. So this become 10. That is 2. This become 1. So this become 1 now. And this become 1, 0. I subtract 1. Become 1. So 1, 0 is 1. This guy is 0. I borrow 1 here. This become 1 like that. All become 1. Now when I do printf, comma C, that guy sees that next one is 1. He put my negative. Sign bit is 1. He takes all the 7 bits of 1, 1. I take the 2's complement, 1's complement, all zeros. Then I add 1 to it. It becomes 2's complement. So I get the answer of 1 minus 1. So you get 4 minus 5 is minus 1. This is the way it subtracts. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Like same way what we do subtraction. There's no difference at all here. The same subtraction. Okay. Now, in the logical operators alone, there are 2 types of operators. That's a confusion. There is arithmetic operation, is fine. As I explained to you that it'll add by bit. But the logical operation, there are 2 types of logical operation. One is called bitwise. Bitwise logical operators. As we did 1, 0, 1, 1. Any number, you go by bit. But there is one more thing is there called logical operator blockwise. Now that is called and or not. There's no XOR there. What are these things? That is very simple. This takes only a block. Your block could be char or short or int, sorry, long or long. I see only as a block. I don't see that bit. That means that I see a block to give a 1 or 0. Then another block, I give 1 or 0. Then I will do that. I'll explain to you now. Don't get confused. In C, all non-zero values are called true. And 0 is called false. Please understand this. All non-zero is called true and 0 is called false. True means 1. That is C considered. It's C. Don't ask me why. False means 0. So let me tell you a very important thing. This is a trick. If you say A equal to minus 76, B equal to 14, C is equal to A double and B. See that A double and B. That means that don't have to worry about this. This is non-zero because I put double and. This is non-zero. That means true. A become 1 now. This is true. Now 14 is non-zero. So that become true. That become 1. So I do AND operation. So it becomes C becomes 1. You get that or not? If you don't get it, ask me now. I see only block. I don't see. This is very simple for you. If 2 minutes it will help you. Now you say that I say integer ABC. A equal to minus 77,854,321. B is equal to 15679321. C is equal to A and B. The question they ask you interviews or anywhere, your answer should be in a 1 second. 1 second. A is non-zero, B is non-zero. A is 1, B is 1, and 1, C is 1. That's all. It takes about 1 second for you. If you put a single AND, then it's tough. You have to convert this to binary, you have to convert this to binary, you have to bit, and this is int is 32 bit. You have to expand it to 32 bit. You have to do that. That's a big task. But if you do double AND, then job is very easy. Do you understand or not? If you have any doubt, ask me now, please. That's as simple. If you say double OR, same thing. Now A is true, B is true. So 1, 1, 1. If you put B is 0, then B becomes 0 now. Because 0 is 0. I know that you all would have seen that AND and OR are the operators as a part of. Now I'm asking you one question. What is B value? Not of, sorry, this not. Block, logical block, not of A. What is the answer? What is the answer? Anybody? What is B now? Please. Quick. Perfect. Perfect. Somebody has solved so quick. It is 0 because this is true. A is true. True means 1. Not of 1 is. See, ultimately it's a bitwise only, but it's getting converted to 1 and then do bitwise. Now, I ask you a big question now. Int. Sorry, not int. It should carry itself. Easy for us. AB. A equal to minus 76. B is equal to what is the answer? Anybody? Now you know that what is called C. These are all C. Please understand. That's why I told the people, those who are doing beginners programming, don't come here. They get confused. This is a C language. Anything here? Anybody? It's very simple. But the only thing is you don't think properly. That's the only thing. You don't apply the rule. Yeah. Oh, somebody got a perfect answer. Ah, too good, man. How did you get it? So nice. Ah, I got one perfect answer. Anybody else? If 3 people try means it's very good for me. I want you to try. See, go back and see the video and try them. Don't worry. Put this problem into the. I told you, that the online visual simulator. There you run it, or your compiler you run it. These are all the C code. You should learn it. Anybody? Please. I got only one answer. And that is a very correct answer. That's a trick. No? You don't want to try? Okay. Let me do one thing. Minus 76 is true. So, not of A is become false. So, this becomes 0. So, not of 0 is, this is bitwise. So, 0 means 0, 0, 0, 0. This is a bitwise. It become all 1, 1, 1, 1. Please understand, this is bitwise. Only this is blockwise. So when you do this, what is happening? This bit is 1, so negative. All the bit take complement. Add 1, because 2's complement. I print 1. I know that you would have got confused, but let you get confused. If you go and watch the video once again and try to solve it at your home, find out these 3 operators, understand. That is, we have discussed addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and or, not, XOR, and block and This is all bitwise. Bitwise logical. Arithmetic is always bitwise. Then or not. Totally how much? 5 plus 4 plus 3. Together it becomes 12. I said totally C has how many operators? 22 operators. C has 22 operators. That's it. Out of 22, 10 has gone now. If you thorough with the 10, you have actually done 50% more than that. And this is another trick here. You see here, when I say A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6, C is equal to A less than B. Can you tell me what is A? So I see. What is the answer? This is true. Sorry. Here, A less than B. This condition is true. So C becomes 1, output becomes 1. Learn to give answers. Learn to give answers. That will be good for you. Learn to give answers. Now, if I say the same thing, if A is greater than 5, then is it true? It is false. Then the answer becomes 0. Your answer becomes 0. I may ask you another question. Is A is less than or equal to B? Yes, it is less than B. This condition satisfied. So it is become true. So the answer become 1. Now if I ask you, if A is greater than or equal to B, no, it is not greater than, not equal to. It is actually less than. So it becomes false. You have to try these things on the computer repeatedly. This is a C language. I'm not teaching you C programming. These are all the set of rules given by C. You'll be surprised. A equal to B. You'll be surprised this. See, if you have a doubt, I'll explain now. See here. You may be having a doubt. I know, I understand that. That's why let me go back to the thing. Now I say ABC. Then I say A equal to 5. B equal to 6. C is equal to A equal to B. See that? For him, this is the operator, like addition, subtraction. Now you see here, A equal to B. It is true or false? That is false. So C becomes 0. Let me print the value of C. Let me print the value of C. C becomes 0. So anything is fine here. So don't get confused with the operators. They only these operators are only 6 operators. Very simple. I can say not equal to. See that A is not equal to B. Oh, this is true. This will be very clear to you tomorrow when I'm explaining about the if statement. See, the if, what we have seen in programming, the if, what we are going to see in the C language is totally different. Okay, and you may be having a surprises there, using a programming. This is a trick. So right now, don't worry about these 5 operators. They're all another 5 operators. See that totally, this is 12. Another 6 operators less than, greater than, or less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. Is about another 6 operators. Totally it become 18. There were about another 2 operators. That is called plus plus, minus minus. This is called increment, This is called decrement. If I say A equal to 5, A plus plus, print of A, I get 6 because I do this. Please understand, A plus plus means A equal to A plus 1. That is the meaning. A is equal to A plus 1. That's the meaning. So understand now. When I say A plus plus means A, both are same. But why they have it? Now I'll explain to you that. Another problem. I say int A comma B. A is equal to 5. B equal to A plus plus. There's a confusion now. Now I have a statement. Now what will I do here? I say B equal to A equal to A plus 1. So because A plus plus equal to A is equal to A plus 1. Now which will I do? Will I do this first? I have two statements now. Please understand, if I write like this, I'll erase all these things. Understand, this is very important to learn. If I say int A comma B, A is equal to 5, B is equal to A plus plus. Now A is 5. They will say B is equal to 5 is equal to 5 plus 1. A is equal to, sorry. Now, will I do this one or not? I can do this as a B equal to A is equal to 5 plus 1. I can do that. Am I right? Or I can do other way. A is equal to 5 plus 1, B equal to A. Both are different. In this case, A is 5. Now B becomes 5 and A becomes 6. In this case, A becomes 6, B becomes 6. To avoid the confusion, our great man, Dennis Ritchie, has given a small clue here. The clue is, you can say B is equal to A plus plus or B is equal to plus plus A. This is called post increment. This is called pre-increment. What is the difference? Here, what it does is B equal to A equal to A plus 1. That means that post, do the operation first, then increment later. Here, what this guy will do, A is equal to A plus 1, then B is equal to A. Here, pre-increment, you do the operation first, then do the equal to. So if you do here printf %d, comma B, you will get here 5. If you do here printf, comma A, comma B, you will get here 6 because you increment then equating. Here you are equating then incrementing. So now B has gone with 5. Here's B has gone with 6. Do you understand now what is meant by post increment and pre-increment? It's a very simple but quite useful in the C. You'll be surprised when you're doing programming. How are you going to use the tool? You have only 22 operators. You're going to do all the magics of C programming. See, understanding 22 operators and this if, for, and dot is going to give you lakhs and lakhs of money per month. Can you believe it? You don't. I'm in the field. Right now, you don't know. All over the world, there's a big demand is going on. You will never know that. You are inside the college. I'm outside. I know that how many inquiries I'm getting per day. Now, we will these things, we will use it when you do programming. That's why I say that we have to give lots and lots of programs we have to do. Okay. I will not stop. If you want to do that whole year programming, I can start giving you problems. Don't worry. Never stop. The moment you say that you are very confident, you can go to competitive coding. That level you can go to prove yourself where you are. Now, next thing is, there were finally two more. Now we have dealt with 20 operators. Two more operators called, so very simple operators. This is called left shift. This is called right shift. Very widely used in embedded system programming. You'll be surprised. These two operators you should know very thoroughly as electronic students. Now, what is this operator? Simple, nothing. I say CHAR X A, comma B. A equal to 5. B equal to A right shift by 2. That means that what is A? A is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now I do right shift by how many times? 2 times. That means that I am pushing from here, from the left to right. This is called this direction. From left to right. How many bits? 2 bits. That means that once the 2 bits get out, it's gone. I add 0, 0 here. There are 2 vacancies. I add 0 here. This is a value now. Now B becomes 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. That's it. B becomes this. I pushed out. These 2 are gone now. If I write the same thing here, left shift by 2. A is equal to now 5. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. I left shift by 2. That means that I am pushing from here. I'm pushing from right to left. That is what the arrow. So these 2 are, now let's put 3. Since 3 times you're pushing, the 3 will be gone. You can remove that. But you are pushed. So this has come here. But these 3 become vacant. You add zeros. That's it. This is called left shift. Shifting is nothing but you are pushing. If you discuss about internally, when I'm discussing about digital electronics, I'll explain to you about what is this shift registers. But right now you think there's an operator. Correct. The value will be 40. Perfectly right. Yeah. It's 40. You are right. When you do this, somebody else, this is what called participation. You need to participate. Printf percentage D, comma A, B. You get 40. Let us see that. Don't worry. If you're, this is, I enjoy. If somebody participate in the thing, that is the best thing of this program. The more you participate, the more you learn. Now let us see here. I see here A is 5, B is A, left shift by 3, and printf B. I hope you could see the screen. The screen is visible to you. That's fine. Compile it. If the screen is not visible, let me know. See here 40. Perfect. You could judge it so second. That's a trick. If you could assume the answer, you have done a great work. Understand? So try this. These are the whatever operators today we explained about here. This is what all the 20, this is 2 more. That's it. Nothing. I don't want to discuss any more operators, but only one trick here. Only one trick. I'll tell you the thing before we discuss about this, complete this. When I say this is only for right shift, A equal to 128. A equal to 1, sorry, carry A. B equal to A right shift by 2. Understand? If I say printf, what will be the answer? Can anybody guess? Can anybody guess this answer? Then I'll be happy. Anybody? Because this is not there. Am I right? It's a problem here because A is a CHAR that has range is signed minus 128 to 127. So this is wrong. This is wrong actually, but still this will be acceptable by the thing. Now what happened? I'll explain to you. I'll show you the screen also. Now this 128 means 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is all 128. 1 2 4 8 16. Now you are trying to push right by 2. That means that these 2 are gone. These 2 are gone. This becomes 0. That is 1 position. And 2 position become 0. And this becomes 4th position. Becomes 0. 8th position becomes 0. And 16th position becomes 0. 32 position become 0. So 1, sorry, this one is wrong. Now this become 1. But you have 2 more positions, 64 and 128. But the trick is, if the last bit is 1, they don't fill 0 here. They fill 1. They fill 1 here. So the answer become 1 1 0. This is what, so the memory will be stored as a 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0, not 0 0 1 0 0. Because the sign bit is 1, that will be filled, not the 0 will be filled. Now if I do printf, the last bit is 1, so it becomes negative. Then I take the 1's complement. So 0 0, sorry, 0 0 1 1 1 1 1, because all of the 5 zeros. Add 1 to it. I get 0 1 1 2 4 8 16 32 64. So this one is 32. So I get minus 32. I get minus 32. I know that you would have confused. That you get confused. Then only if you get confused, you will try to dig it and you learn more. If you don't get confused, you will accept it and then later forget it. Okay, now let us see the thing in the program itself. Let me go back to the screen and see that how we could see the. Now you see here, I've written A equal to 128. Right shift by 2. I print it. See here, you get minus 32. This is a way you should be able to guess it. This is called C language. This is nothing to do with the programming. Please understand. Don't get confused between programming and language. Do you understand the difference between the language and programming? The language have a limited things. Using these things, how you are going to write a big program. That is your nice thing, task tomorrow, coming days. There's nothing more than that. There are only 22 operators. There are only 22 operators in C. Nothing more than that. Nothing more than that. Don't get confused about this. There are only 22 operators. That is addition, arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, quotient, division, remainder, modulus, and logical operators bitwise, and or not XOR, and logical operators blockwise, and or not. Then increment, decrement, left shift, right shift. Then less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. 5 plus 4, 9, plus 3, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 16, 16 plus 6, 22. That's what total C. Nothing more than that. You can do wonders. You can do wonders with this. How we are going to do it, that practice, practice, practice. Especially you will know that these operators are the very, very used one in your embedded system programming. You'll do wonders. You'll do wonders if you know the operators, especially these operators also. Basically only 22, nothing more than that. If you say that you are very good at 22 operators, I can start giving you any problem. For example, now, if I ask last question, one question. If I ask you int A, B, C. A is equal to 5. B is equal to A, right shift by 2. C is equal to B, left shift by 2. Printf percentage D, comma, C. If you can get the answer within 10 seconds, that level you should come. 10 seconds. Can you give an answer? 10 seconds. You understand. I put char. That's easy because 8-bit. Both are integer only, but I'm saying using character because 8-bit easy to operate. Give you 10 seconds, more than the time. Now we have spent more than 10 seconds. Really gone. Somebody has given a perfect answer. Thanks. Anybody else? I got one answer. I got 2 answers. Out of 2, one is right, one is wrong. One more. Then I can give an answer and close today's top. One more. Somebody, please. Yeah. I've got 3 answers out of 3. One is right, one is 2 are wrong. The answer is 4. The answer is 4. Yeah, out of 4, 2 people are given a right answer. That's good. 2, 50-50. The thing is, if you write A right shift by 4, the 5 means 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. When I push it on right side, these 2 will go. Now the answer will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. When I do left shift by 2, it becomes 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 zeros will be added. The 1 is gone. One is gone. That's why it become bored. Think. Go and see the results. Print the results and see. Okay. So fairly, I've discussed about these operators. When we use these operators on our, I'll send you the. I prepared a document for this, so I'll send you the document to you. Watch the video and read the document, and you can. There's nothing wrong in watching the internet for the C things and all. But only programming, don't go for that. When you try to do my programming, do it by yourself. Don't discuss with anybody. Then you lose the opportunity of learning. Never do the programming with somebody's help. There is no use. If because of you, somebody start driving a car, they will learn driving on your money and you will never learn driving. Even you watch somebody is driving for 10 years. Even after 10 years, you cannot drive. Somewhere you have to start. It's better start today. That's the way I'm telling. Let me stop the recording.